Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Sorry, content's been a little hit or miss lately. It's been a busy summer for us. I'm hoping to get back to a more regular upload schedule here soon. But anyway, I just wanted to do a video. We went to Harbor Freight the other day, and I picked up one of their new 20-in-1 Gordon multi-tools. So I figured I would unbox it or unpackage it on camera with you. So here we go. So as I said, this is the Gordon 20-in-1 multi-tool. That's everything it has. There's the tool in the package. Also comes with sheath. There's the back of the package. So let's see if I can open this one-handed. Be right back. Well, that was a challenge, but I got it. So anyway, there's the multi-tool. There's your pliers, your wire cutters. I believe down in there are your wire strippers. Has a belt clip. Actually, that got stuck on the package getting it out, so that was fun. It's got, okay, so close it. Ooh, it's pretty stiff. Feels nice. There we go, got it. Okay, so there's your regular blade. Ooh, that baby's sharp. Yeah, that's nice. Okay, there's that one. So that one's on the outside of the tool, so you can access it with it closed. Okay, and one thing I just learned, to close the blade, where my thumb is, you push that down and it closes. So that's pretty nice. Then on the other side, there's your blade with the gut hook on it. Again, it feels, oh yeah, it's sharp. So that's good. And again, right there, push down, closes nice. So I'll open it up the other way and show you the rest of the tools. Okay, so we're on this side of the tool. There's your medium, your medium screwdriver right here. Here's your scissors. See if I can do this one-handed. Yep, there we go. They got a nice springiness to them. And that little guy is your reversible eyeglasses. Yep, there's your flathead. Phillips right there. It's hard to see. Sorry. Come on, get back in there. Come on, go in your home. Okay, got that back in there. Okay, so that's on one side. So your eyeglass screwdriver, your little scissors, and your medium screwdriver. Oh, close it the wrong way. So it goes that way. Down like that. To close these tools, you press down right there to close them. At first I had a little bit of difficulty getting them out, but I used the little use the little notch there, it comes right out once you get hold of it and you're not trying to hold the camera in the process. Okay, so that's that side of the tool. Oh, and you got a ruler. Inch and metric. That's cool. Sorry, this is not going to be the best of quality of videos. Okay, so here we have another screwdriver. Phillips and flathead. It's magnetic, slides right in there. Can opener next to that. And I think that's it for this side of the tool. So that's it in a nutshell. The Gordon 20-in-1 multi-tool. Feels good in my hand. I don't have any complaints yet. But then again, maybe I won't have any complaints. I hope I don't. Okay, there again, you use that. Just close it. And close right up. It feels pretty sturdy in my hand. It was $40 at my nearest Harbor Freight. So we will see. I do like that the attachments lock into place. My dad actually stabbed himself several years ago with a Walmart version of these tools because the blades, at least at that time, did not lock into place. So that was one of the other reasons I wanted to get this one. Plus, another reason for me was the price. Like I said, it was $40 out the door versus starting for the equivalent to a Leatherman of this tool, probably $100. So that just wasn't something I was interested in. So we'll see what this does. As time goes on, I will try to give you updates And in the meantime, thanks for watching. I know this video was a little bit boring, but I'd be appreciative if you hit that like button, leave a comment, tell me how terrible the video was, tell me what else you'd like to see, and if you'd be so kind as to hit that subscribe and notifications bell, I'd also be really grateful. So until next time, thanks for watching. And I found another tool right by my thumb that is a wire stripper according to the box or the packaging. But anyway, there's the package. I feel like I'm missing something. Oh, maybe the file. I didn't find the file. Let me find the file. Okay, now we're back on the outside of the tool again, and I found two more things. There's your saw, and there's your file. Come on, focus. Okay, so this side is your coarser side. And that side is your smoother side. And it feels like there's a fine tooth saw here. So that's cool. And there again, there's your saw. So that's neat. And yes, it is sharp as well. So there you have it, until I find some other tools. Ha! Just when I think I found them all. Right there by my thumb, that is supposed to be wire crimpers. So anyway. There's the regular pliers, the needle nose, wire crimpers. So, yep. That's the Gordon multi-tool. So far, it feels good in my hand. We'll see how it holds up. Also, with the tool came with... Okay, where'd it go? Okay. Tool also came with a little pouch, a nylon, it's got a belt loop. The snap feels pretty good. Overall, it doesn't feel like a terrible quality. Anyway, quit messing around. Close up the tool. Oof. Yeah, it's a little stiff, but I'm sure it'll break. I'm sure it'll free up. Ooh, that was nice. Okay, so the tool goes, let's see, which way does it go? Let's try it in this way. Oh, come on. Okay, so a little fiddling around, I finally got the tool in the pouch. That's the way I got it to fit. Sorry about that. It feels like it fits good. So yeah, the new 20-in-1 multi-tool Gordon from Harbor Freight. We will see how it does. As I stated, yes, the blades are sharp. I just did these cuts with the traditional blade. So let's try the other ones. Okay, so this cut I made with that one. So, oh, another thing I forgot to mention, this blade is serrated, so that's cool. Yep, she is sharp. I think I'll test the scissors next. And yes, the scissors cut at least paper. I just did this cut in my left hand with the scissors. And yes, they feel pretty nice. So, yeah, overall, I'm pretty happy for $40, so we will see what happens.